Hi Year 12, welcome to my second IB video. I'm slowly making some improvements with my video production, but it's still pretty basic, pretty awkward. Okay, so I haven't put in the link yet because the video I'm creating now and will be uploaded onto YouTube after I've done. So let's just go through the synopsis. I'd like you to have a look at my website, which has a lot of resources that I've gathered over the years, and they are in IB as well as A level, IGCSE Year 9. There's also a couple of sites here from Mr. Norris and Miss Prince, okay? Instagram Purple Panda Lab and Mr. Norris's Chuck Norris website, which is quite funny. I'll just show you that one. Chuck Norris is watching you. Do not procrastinate, escalate. You probably heard some of the Chuck Norris jokes. They're quite funny anyway. So I'd like you to have a look at that. There's the link. And once you're there, if you can browse, have a look around. I've separated it into topics and options. Okay. Like I said, the one we're doing at the moment is atomic structure. So if you can just click on that, all it does is take you to my Google Drive, where I've stored all of my resources, and I've separated them into these folders for ease of finding them. Have a look through the notes. Here you might find some slides that I've created in the past. Admittedly, these are probably a little bit out of date, but I'm going to update them as soon as I get a chance. And there's other third-party ones that I've got off the internet. Basically, anything with fill on it is something I've created. Also, have a look at worksheets. There's loads of useful stuff in here. I'll be giving stuff to you guys from here from time to time. You'll have to probably print it out yourself at home or somehow annotate it with a tablet. Worthwhile getting yourselves a little printer if you haven't got one already. There's also videos. They might be set in a substructure like this one here. So yeah, loads of stuff for you to look at. I would also take a look at tests. Sorry, it seems like Google's a little bit slow at the moment. Internet is very slow at Rimba at the moment. I don't know if any of you guys are here, but wow, slow. I've locked off pre-tests and I've locked off tests, so you can access whatever's in the spare folder. And yeah, by the by, if you want to have a look at assignments and practicals and simulations, you can by all means. Okay, so yeah, have a look in there, have a good browse, and give me any feedback if you have time. All right. The next thing I wanted you to do was to go to In Thinking. And we looked last time at the nuclear atom page. This time I want you to look at the electron configuration page, which is here. Basically, I think these pages are set out in kind of like one lesson slots. You should be able to read through the slides on that page. You should be able to watch the videos on there and answer the MCQs. Okay, so those are the three things I want you to do on that page. So let me just show you that. Again, go to complete course for students. So last time we looked at the nuclear atom, and you should have gone through that and looked at all the slides. Slides you can make big by clicking on them. Probably should have explained this last time. But this lesson, I want you to look at electron configuration. Okay. So read through all of this stuff, specifically the slides. I really do want you to spend a bit of time on the slides. Some good ones in here. A bit of reading. And I know a lot of this is going to be hard for you to understand initially. It looks like there's 14 slides there. It's going to be hard for you to understand just by reading through yourself. Hopefully you'll start to get a grasp, and then you'll come up with some questions that you can ask me. And by the time I'm back the week after next, or for you guys it'll be next week when you hear this video, when I'm back next week, then I should be able to give you guys a helping hand with all this stuff. Okay, yeah, some of it's a little bit complex here. You've got Aufbau principle, Pauli exclusion principle, Hund's rule. So yeah, I'll take a bit of time to explain them when I get a chance. And then you can have a go at the MCQs. Okay, and well, there's also some short answer questions. Make sure you watch the videos. Probably watch the videos before you do the MCQs or the short answer questions. Okay.